So last month, nag-set ako ng intention to be accountable with my cash flow. So I needed to have additional income. But I never applied for any online jobs. What I did instead is nag-focus ako sa health ko. It really looks counterproductive, no? Kasi hindi siya directly impacting sa goal ko. At I even beat myself up for not taking action. Pero lately na-realize ko, kailangan ko pala talaga to boost my mood, to clear my head, to talk to God, and even talk to myself more. Kasi kung hindi ko na i-shift yung mindset ko, frustrate lang ako kahahanap at hindi ko mapapansin yung mga opportunities just right under my nose. So, this is what happened. Dahil clear yung head ko, mas madali kong manotice yung mga job referrals ng mga friends ko. Because okay yung mental health ko, I had the courage to apply. I started being grateful for that one referral at may nakikita pa akong ibang referral. I feel like God is orchestrating everything. Imagine if I didn't go inward. Kahit may opportunity pa yan, hindi ko yan na-applyan kasi uunahin kong i-reject yung sarili ko. Mas mananaig yung negative mindset na huwag na lang mag-apply. We think having will save us, but actually, being will help us attract more opportunities. Especially yung mga bagay na gusto natin sa buhay. So if you wanted to increase your cash flow, focus on your health and your relationship with yourself.